It is January 6, 2025. Happy New Year. If you have an LC90, it is time to check your settings button. You press here, you go into settings, you dial down, and we go all the way down till we get to version info. We press the knob, it checks, and it looks like there is a new version 4.7. And it is ready to upgrade. So let's hit the OK button. It tells us not to press any keys, allow the upgrade to proceed. And this upgrade promises to enhance the ability to use the voice command so you can tell it to tune into a particular station. We'll definitely take a look at that. Make sure that when you're doing this upgrade that your battery is fully charged or the radio is plugged in. Once the download is completed, it will verify and then it will do an install. The system may reboot, at which point you are not to do anything. It is now doing the installation or updating the firmware to the radio. It looks like we're going through another reboot, and it has just loaded BBC's World Service.
I come out on the promise of a job on the local...
Even though I didn't ask for it. So now let's try a test. We'll press the language button. We'll press it again. Voice of America. And indeed, it has found Voice of America, and we can pick any of the settings it has given us. Loading in is pretty quick.
美国之音时事经纬，刚才您听到的是余茂春有话说，美国划线。
All right, let's try a different setting. BBC News. And we have BBC News to choose from. NHK Radio. NHK Radio. WLS AM. WLS. WCBS. So we see that it's able to understand the call signs that we give it, but it gives us a message saying that please say the name of the radio station only, which is what we've been doing. We restart the radio, we press language, WCBS. Voice of China. And that it gets. Cuba. And we get Cuban stations. Let's try 107.1. And here is something called 107.1 and several other 107.1s from various parts of the country. If we recall, on the LC90, you have shortcuts to news, podcast, and music. So let's see if that's represented in our language. Podcast. Oops. Didn't wait for the symbol there, did I? Podcast. And indeed, we got a podcast. Let's try news. And we get a listing of news stations. Music. How about some Irish country music? Top 100. Salsa music. Music from Puerto Rico. So they have vastly improved the capability of language to actually understand and deliver valid results. And that is just one of the main features of 4.7. Another improvement has been that you get Descriptive Radio going across the bottom. It tells you the genre, if it's available, and whatever other information the station is providing. So this will vary depending on each individual station, but it's a lot more information than we had prior to this upgrade. This may or may not be an improvement, but when you go to the TF mode, normally you'd pick a piece of music, and if you wanted to go to a different song, then you'd either press forward or back. But now I'm noticing that I can achieve similar results just by going through the dial. I mean, turning the knob. Let's see what happens when you press it, and then when you press it, you come out back to the list. So yes, they have improved this functionality a bit more than what we had. So that's nice. Overall, I think they've done a terrific job. And yes, the language is just a little hiccup if you're just throwing out call signs, but it makes an effort to find stuff, and it's a huge improvement. And kudos to the company for just continuing to improve this radio. So if you haven't done it yet, hit your settings button, go down to version info, make sure you're fully charged or plugged in, and download the new software that's available free with your LC90. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.